So this plant is called spirit weed, and it's good to have the older individuals tell you the benefits. Well, help you to identify the plants and their benefits. And this plant is known for colds and flus and coughs. It's good for that, to get rid of it. So that's the spirit weed. This will tell you more on of its benefits. Keep watching. Yep, know your roots. That's the root, or the roots of the spirit weed. To support our ministry, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.